Hey guys, this is Calvin from InstaLOD. In this video, the team at Lightshape showcase how InstaLOD made it possible to drastically cut their turnaround times on creating a VR application for Fiat. With InstaLOD, the team at Lightshape is able to quickly implement client feedback, which enables their clients to actively participate in the creation process. I hope you enjoy.
In order to reach out to their customers, more and more car manufacturers are using virtual experiences as they are innovative and immersive. Interactive applications give their users full control, inviting them to explore their dream cars in their own way and at their own pace. The VR showroom you're seeing now is an example that should give you a glimpse of the near future. We wanted each individual person to decide for themselves which paint color they want to choose. Customers should be able to develop a feeling for their desired product. And this isn't only an adventure for the customers, but for us as well. We at Lightshape provide real digital solutions to turn visions like these into reality. To keep up with the times, we continually improve and streamline our workflow. According to our philosophy, we don't just want to fulfill a task, but to create something sustainable. Our goal is to develop a visually appealing, high-performance application that conveys the very essence of any car design, so we usually start with a detailed high-poly model. At first glance, this seems contradictory, since the usage of several high-resolution models lower the FPS rate. We can only overcome this obstacle if we accept different levels of detail, known as LODs, for certain distances. But then again, this also requires us to create reduced versions of our original car model. Our artists can achieve this by performing retopology by hand. But apart from being tedious work, it slows down the whole process because it takes our artists hours, days, or even weeks. We must be able to implement feedback quickly, however, to enable our clients to actively partake in the process. And this is the reason we won't remain competitive with simple manual retopology. So we looked for software that automatically achieves the low poly count we need. And therefore we've chosen InstaLOD. Since then, all we have to do is make a few adjustments, simply wait, and finally implement the result. What took many days has become a matter of a few hours. With InstaLOD we are faster than ever before. Our clients can check shortly after commissioning whether their product has turned out as expected. If they have change requests, we can now fulfill them in the blink of an eye. And this is only the beginning. InstaLOD is being developed further, and there's no doubt that we'll get many more amazing features in the future. Thanks to InstaLOD for keeping up with the times.